Oh, sorry, bud. I didn't see you over there.
Yeah, ain't nothing there, nobody wiped them
Oh,
out yet.
yeah, it's completely dark. I didn't know you were over there. I wouldn't have done that to you. No luck with him, huh? It's pretty busy over on the Tugalo side. Thought it'd be like that up here. We'll see. Twisted. Short! I'm out of the lures I like. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm getting frustrated. But you stick with it and you see where you land with it. And we'll see. Strikers. Not at all what I'm going for, but a good one nonetheless, guys. So, I'm gonna get that motherfucker back over there. Stay down, baby. Stay down for me. It's been a tough day. Come here. Man, my day might be getting saved. He's not a monster, but he's a good one. He's a tournament guy. That's what we're going for nowadays, right? Every time. Sometimes it's hard to see how it's in there. Alright, he's a little guy, right? He would put us on the board. Had we landed the one from this morning with the catfish, we'd be in an alright place. The catfish and this guy have been on a DT8 and bluegill pattern. That's probably kind of hard to see without the black gloves on, but it is what it is, guys. Just hitting some riprap with him here toward the end of the day. I'll see how I feel. I may stay out for another couple hours fishing over here by the dock. But the plan was to come back, hit this, and go home. But, you know, catch fish, you get a little bit of a second wind, right? And yesterday was tough, too. What is that? Oh man. So somebody's awfully young this time of year, right? I got you. Tanks, right? The hell is that about? That is not what I'm looking for. Just stick with it. When day goes bad, just keep fishing. It's a good largemouth there, gentlemen. Nothing wrong with that fish at all, right? So we'll take those all freaking day. We would have hit a limit finally had we not lost a one this morning, right? We're still one down because of that. Now I still got another hour I could fish if it was a tournament. I would feel pretty decent in my chances at this point. I found something they like. Alright guys, it was a tough day. I had a plan and I stuck to it too hardcore. I wanted to get up to where these flats were and check it out. I caught a fish down here early in the morning, even though he shook the hook. He was a good one. I should have adjusted my plan, but I didn't. Stuck to it, didn't catch hardly any fish doing what I wanted to do. Everything I caught was junk fishing or playing around riprap. We talk about riprap a lot here. I might have to make down a video and actually show you guys exactly how I attack it, because I'm pretty confident I can catch a fish on riprap if I'm given the right conditions. Like, I can tell you how to do that. But yeah guys, I'm headed out. I'm gonna go home and get something to eat. Just I should have been more flexible. I think that's the takeaway for the weekend. Be more flexible. This is the A rule. I lost so many fish between yesterday and today. Yesterday I had 6 hookups, lost every single one of them. Every single one of them. So at least today I got a cool catfish standing. That one actually got my adrenaline going right. I was shaking when I sat down. That was fun. I'm glad the weather is heating up. I'm going to stand up a whole lot more. So, oh, the ram's open. I got to go, guys.